guys, welcome back to my nail obsession. So today I'm gonna be doing a Dollar Tree nail haul. Excuse my nails, I've been doing nails so they look real raggedy because I do not wear gloves. But yes, I actually buy a lot of stuff from the Dollar Tree to use in the salon doing nails. So if you are new starting out, or if you're on a budget, or if you like a good deal, then keep on watching. This is a Dollar Tree nail supply and nail art haul. So we're gonna get right into it. First, I'm gonna start out with some stuff that I already had that I get from the Dollar Tree regularly to use in the salon. The first being these cotton balls. I get my cotton balls from Dollar Tree. They are $1. I know that cotton balls generally is cheap, but they're only $1. And then like in places like Walgreens, they're like $1 and some change, or like $2. Still pretty affordable, but if you can get it for $1, why not, right? So I do get these cotton balls. They're really good. I mean, cotton balls are quite cotton balls, you know. So I get these and I use these regularly in the salon to take off polish from the toes and the nails and whatnot. Another really good one, I have some acetone in here. It's an acetone pump. So it's a nice acetone pump. You just like use your cleaner brush, pump, or like cotton ball and pump, and it just dispenses acetone so that you're not drying out all your acetone and wasting product. These are really good quality, and you can find them at the Dollar Tree. I have been able to find them in Dollar Tree all over my city, so just check in your city and see if they have it there. But this is a really good deal. Only $1, a acetone dispenser. Love this. This is one of my favorite products that I get from the Dollar Tree. Also, I get my polishes to do my toes and stuff like that from the Dollar Tree. So they sell a large selection of this LA Colors polish. This is in a color 446, and again, they're $1 each, and they're really good quality. If you're doing regular polish pedicures, they are really good, and it's a really easy way to build up your nail polish collection if you use regular nail polish, or if you use regular nail polish for your pedicures. This is really good. They have a very large selection in most Dollar Trees. Also, they sell this brand called Sassy and Chic. This is in the color 901. Really cute. Again, only $1. Really good. I use them for pedicures. I personally don't use regular nail polish on hands. I usually use gel polish, but these are really cute if you're like giving yourself a pedicure, or if you're giving your clients a pedicure and they don't like, you know, they don't really necessarily match their hands to their feet or whatever like that, or if you use regular nail polish on the hands as well. These are really good. I really think they're really decent quality as well. But my favorite brand from Dollar Tree is the Kiss brand. They're gel like regular polishes. It's not gel polish, it's gel like nail polish, and they have some really cute colors, and the packaging is really cute. It looks really high end. You wouldn't know that you only pay $1 for it. So I really like them. They come in a decent amount of colors. I think it's a fairly new brand at the Dollar Tree, so maybe their selection isn't extensive. Yeah, I think they're fairly new at the Dollar Tree, so maybe their color selection isn't as extensive as the LA Colors brand, but they still really have some really pretty colors, and again, it's only $1. You cannot beat it. This color is 24 Narcissism. It's a really soft pink, and then this one is 36 orange. It's a really bold orange. This will look really cute on brown girl toes. I love it. So you can get polishes if you do your own nails, if you just like giving yourself pedicures, manicures, whatever. It's really nice to just go and rack up on polishes. You could spend $10, get 10 different polishes. So I think it's really nice. One of my other, no, I think this one forget the Acetone Pump. I think this product is my favorite product to get from the Dollar Tree, y'all. So if you do nails professionally, you know that implements can get so expensive, especially if you're just starting out and you're like trying to build your kit up on a budget. You know, you're not really making that much money right now. Or if you like a good deal like me, I love a good deal. These are perfect. So they are these cuticle trimmers, y'all. And when I say these is so sharp, they are sharper than any professional nippers that I have tried thus far. They stay sharp for so long. It takes them forever to dull out, and they are only $1. Like, you cannot beat it. Nippers run you from $8 to $10. So the fact that these are $1 is amazing, and more than them being $1, they are great quality. Like, they will get that cuticle. Like, let me tell you, if you do not know about the Dollar Tree cuticles, go find it. And the thing is, I feel like people are up on it now, so it's so hard to find. But I went to my Dollar Tree like 5 minutes away from where I live, and I just, you know, browsed to see if maybe they had the nippers, because I've been on a hunt for them for like a month. I'm like not even kidding. And I saw that they were fully stocked. Girl, I grabbed 6 of them. I grabbed two in each color that they had. I grabbed 6 because it's so hard to find these, because they are so good, and you cannot beat $1, especially when you are doing nails professionally and you have to keep getting a new set of implements every client, and then you have a busy day, so you don't have time to disinfect your implements. Go to the Dollar Tree and rack up on these nippers. I can't even say enough. I can't say enough about these nippers. I absolutely adore these nippers. Like, I didn't want to be greedy, so I only got 6, but girl, these are the business. Next thing I got is some toenail clippers. They sell toenail clippers there too, so if you want to have an implement kit for every client, get you some toenail clippers as well. They sell them. They're really good quality. They're really thick. They're not flimsy at all. They work perfectly fine, just like my salon grade clippers or whatnot, and they're good. They are good toenail clippers. Only thing is, they don't have like straight edge clippers, but if you use just the regular clippers like this for pedicures and no chip manicures and stuff like that, you need some implements, go ahead and rack up on these toenail clippers, because they are good quality as well. So I got 3 pair because I'm trying to get more implement sets, because I get pretty busy in the salon sometimes and I don't have time to disinfect my implements. So I got 3 of these. So a newer thing that I discovered at Dollar Tree that I'm very excited about, because I'm like, okay, they got the nippers, they got the toenail clippers, but they don't have cuticle pushers. Like, what's going on? And like a couple weeks ago, I went in there looking for the nippers. I didn't find the nippers, but I did find these gel polish remover tools. Now, if you are familiar with removing no chip, usually you scrape it off with a cuticle pusher. That's what I do. I didn't know about gel polish remover tools till I found these, but these are shaped just like cuticle pushers. Like, they are like angled and everything, and you can push back the cuticles with them. So I grabbed one to test it out, and I tested it out, and it works just like a cuticle pusher. So although they say it's a gel polish remover tool, I think, and I've tested, that you can use these as cuticle pushers. So boom, you got your cuticle nippers, your clippers, your pushers, you all set. Like, you could spend $12 and get 4 sets of implements, when these things usually run you about $8 to $10 a piece. They could get really expensive, I know, but these are only $1, so I got these. Next, I got some tweezers. We use tweezers, doing nails for a lot of stuff. picking up big stones, I don't know, picking up little charms, just anything. You use nippers. You use nippers in the salon. So I got a pair of nippers because I be losing mine, so I got an extra pair of these. Now these I love as well. One of my other favorite products from the Dollar Tree, and these are cosmetic wedges. So basically they're like the disposable makeup sponges that people use for makeup, but what I use it for doing nails is to apply chrome powder. So these are perfect for applying chrome powder. They come in 28 pieces, and it's only $1. And I mean, you could reuse them if you're using the same chrome powder, and they last forever. So I really like these. They're really good quality. They're really thick and spongy, so they won't like break down and like break apart on you. So I think this is a really good buy if you're using chrome powder to apply your chrome powder. I think this is really great. Some new stuff that I found at Dollar Tree when I was looking and browsing around is they have organizers now. So I'm pretty excited about this. So they have like a little craft session in my Dollar Tree close to my house. So I just went and looked, in the session to see, what they have or whatever. And I found these organizer wheel, and if you do nails or you craft or anything like that, these is used to like organize stones, beads, whatever. So I got them because I have some extra stones that I can't fit in my little Michael's thing. So I got this to put my extra stones in and to separate them or whatever by size. I think this is really good because if you go to Michael's, one of these will run you about maybe, I don't know, $3 to $5 maybe. And organizers can get costly, especially when you have a lot of stuff and you're trying to organize a lot of stuff. It can get costly. So I would suggest look in your Dollar Tree, your local Dollar Tree. They're having a new crafting section going on. So see if your Dollar Tree offers it and see if you can find it. It's by the brand Crafter Square, and it's an organizer box. It's 8 compartments and it's only $1. I love it. From that same brand, I got these storage containers, and it came with 6. And I use these if I'm like mixing a color acrylic for a client, like if they want a certain color that I don't have and I have to mix, I would use one of these little things. And then also if I do like a glitter mix, like a custom glitter mixing as well, I would use one of these. And at my local nail supply, they run 25 cents each, so you get 4 for $1 at my local beauty supply, at my local nail supply. But you get 6 for $1 with this one, and these are really decent size. They have like an airtight like flip up top, so I think it'll really secure that color acrylic and that glitter, because that glitter can get everywhere. So I think that this is a really good discovery, and I will be putting it to good use. So I'm excited that I found these. Lastly, I got this from the same brand, the same section, Crafter Square, this craft storage box. And this box is just a compartment box. I'm going to use it for stones and my little trinkets, maybe Fimo and stuff like that, just to organize it neatly and everything. So it's just another organizer, little storage box for my nail art stuff, my nail gems and stuff like that. And I think this is really good quality. The plastic is really sturdy. The clamps are really sturdy. So I think this is a really good buy for $1. So in all at Dollar Tree I spent $24 plus tax, and I got like so much stuff. So do not sleep on the Dollar Tree when it comes to your nail supplies, even if you are a professional, don't shy away from the Dollar Tree, because they have some good quality stuff and it's only $1. So I saw also that they had like nail tips, nail glue. Now I'm not sure, I never used that. I ain't got there yet, but they do have it. They have, manicure sets and stuff like that. If you want to see more of what's at the Dollar Tree for nail fanatics, nail obsessors, then go ahead, like this video and comment down below that you want to see that, because I am a Fugu girl. No, I'm not even gonna say that. That's a nice way. I'm just straight up cheap. So I'm always looking for a deal. So if you want to see that, if you love a good deal too, go ahead and like and comment. Let me know that you want to see it. If you like videos like this, if you like nail videos, everything, to do with nails, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Become part of the family. Let's start a friendship. And that's all I have for you today. I will see you in the next video. Bye.